Hey guys, welcome back with another video. Today we will be unboxing an iPad case, especially for the iPad 10th generation 10.9 guys. As you can see, we got the case here. We got the iPad here as well. We will be unboxing this case. It's going to be a quick, simple unboxing guys. So, this is how the case looks like guys. It's leather / plastic, carbon fiber should I say, the back, and then the front is silicone leather guys. This is how the case looks like. It looks quite good. Simple, a black case guys. So this is how it is. Oh, it's plain guys, so you can actually see the back of the iPad. So this is how it looks inside the case guys. Our brand new iPad. We got all the buttons free. Everything's free guys. As you can see, this is how it looks inside the case. And also looks like this. Looks quite good. And this is how it looks when it's open guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.